Umlando Umkhonto Wesizwe ugutshezelwe izinto ezingalungile okukhona kuzo uqhekeko njengoba kunomhlangothi lweMKMVA nole-MK National Council. Zombili izinhlangothi ke bekunzima kuzo ukuthobela umthetho weqembu. Zombili zahlakaza emzameni wokuletha ubumbano. Khathi kubungazwa iminyaka engamashumi ayisithupha kwasungulwa Umkhonto Wesizwe kube nesinye isicelo sobumbano.
As we celebrate this day, we are mindful of the challenges facing the ANC ahead of its 110th anniversary. These are about divisions, factionalism, manipulation of structures to manufacture predetermined results with the sole aim of securing positions, corruption by those in public office and positions of authority, and complete disregard of people's interests whom we exist to serve in the first place.
Umthelela woqhekeko ubonakale okhethweni lohulumeni bezindawo nonyaka.
The outcome of the recently held local government elections should be a wake-up call to the ANC. The masses can no longer tolerate or withstand poor service delivery and poor leadership that is not in touch with their aspirations.
Umkhonto Wesizwe wasungulwa mhla ziyishumi-nesithupha kuZibandlela wango-1961 ukulwa nodlame olwalubhekiswe ebantwini abansundu. Nokukhona kulo isibhicongo saseSharpeville lapho kwabulawa khona abantu abangama-69 ababephikisana nomthetho wamapasi. Zaba khona ke impela izinselele khathi kusungulwa Umkhonto Wesizwe. Lesinyathelo sasiholwa nguNelson Mandela kanye nabanye asehlanga kahle kwaye ngumengameli weqembu ngaleso sikhathi uAlbert Luthuli noyengahambisani nokuphindisela kolunye udlame. Kodwa ke labo abafela empini yomzabalazo bathulelwa isiqhoko.
On this 60th anniversary, as we commemorate the existence of Umkhonto Wesizwe, we lower our black, green and gold flag in remembrance and paying tribute to those who participated in the first sabotage campaign against the installations of the Nationalist Party regime.
Ukuzama ukwakha ubumbano eqenjini kuzosingathwa ingqungquthela yobunye ngonyaka ozayo emva kokuhlakazwa kwazo zombili izinhlangothi.